Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arsalan and today we are on day 6th of building the problem solving skills with the help of Python. If you are very new to this channel, very new to this playlist, let me give you a very brief introduction of what this playlist is all about. So in this playlist, we have been building logic, we have been solving question based on logical reasoning. So this question is based on integers. So we will be solving this question very soon, and just before starting to solve this question guys, do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. So this question is create a program that prints number from 1 to 100 but for multiples of 3 print face instead, and for multiples of 5 print buzz. For numbers that are multiple for both 3 and 5 print FIZZBUZZ. So what we have to do in this question guys, we have to print numbers from 1 to 100. So guys, this question is very famous question and you should understand this question very well. So I will be explaining in deep and you will be having a better clarity, we will be having a very better understanding, and you should know how you will be solving this question. So I will be explaining you from scratch and you will be learning it in a very well way. So just to start this question, I will be creating a function, and that function, first of all, it will be taking a range. So I will be writing function which will be calling as FIZZBUZZ, and I will be taking a range as, let's suppose the range is from 0 to 100. So I'll be writing n here, which will be of course 100, or you can just even write 100 in that, but I will be taking n as here. So what I'm gonna do here is guys, I will be first of all taking a loop, and to take a loop I will be writing for nums in range 1 till 100. So 1 till 100 will be my n. So I am gonna take n plus 1. So why I'm gonna take n plus 1? If I just print and show it to you, let's just pass this value, and if I just show it to you, just briefly tell it to you that how range function works. If I print, uh, or I can just write for nums in range 0 till 100, for example 100, and if I print this, print what, print num, and show it to you here, that what I will be getting, I will be getting numbers starting from 0 till 99. Let's just take one here only. Let's just start from 1, and let me just show it to you that how it will be done. So it started from 1 and counted till 99. So that means that the number itself is not included, so this number itself is exclusive. So what we will be doing here, instead of just putting it like this, we can write n plus 1, and I can just print nums here. And if I print nums here, what I have to do, I have to call this function as well. So if I writing FIZZBUZZ and call this function and write 100, of course, because I have to pass one argument here as the number itself. This number itself is the function, sorry, this number is the, and is the range, not the number itself, sorry, this n is the range. So if I write 100 here, it will be, n will be in range function will be 99, but I have written 199 plus 1, so it will be 99 plus 1, that will be equal to 100. So let's just try to run this code and see that we are getting what we expected. And if I remove this 1 from here and again run this code, I will be getting values which will be counted from 1 till 99. So hope you have understood this part first. Hope you have understood this part first. Now the second part is that we have to check some conditions. What conditions? We have to check first of all that if the number is divisible by both and 3, then we have to print FIZZBUZZ. What we have to print? We have to print FIZZBUZZ. If I try to print first of all only for 3, and if I just print FIZZBUZZ, let me just show it to you that if I just print put up condition here, if nums mod 3 is equals to 0, which means that if it is divisible by 3, print what, that f string and nums is what? Nums is uh, fizz fizz. And similarly I'll be doing it for buzz. If it's divisible by 3, oh sorry, if it's divisible by 5, I will be writing buzz here. What I will be writing? I will be writing buzz here, and elif, I will be writing elif here, elif, and I will be just copying this whole code down and printing elif if it is divisible by 3, and also divisible by what? Also divisible by uh, nums divisible by 5. So n nums mod 5 is equals to 0. So I will be printing what? I will be printing FIZZBUZZ. What I will be printing? FIZZBUZZ. FIZZBUZZ. Now after all of these condition, either if it is 3 divisible by 3, I will be printing fizz. Either if it is divisible by 5, I will be printing buzz, or either I will be printing FIZZBUZZ if it's divisible by 3 as well as by 5. So in this last condition, it will be what will be included, including 15, 30, etc, etc. So because both of this number, both of those numbers will be divisible by 3 and 5. So now else I will be just printing print f string again nums. All right, so they are nothing but numbers because they do not divide themselves completely by 3 or 5. So we'll be just representing them nums. So if I try to run this code, you will be seeing that I will be getting FIZZBUZZ, FIZZBUZZ, FIZZBUZZ. But I am not getting what? I am not getting in this 15th. I should get FIZZBUZZ, right? I should get what? FIZZBUZZ, because 15 is divisible by both 5 and 3, right? It is divisible by 5 and 3, but it is not getting. Why it is not getting FIZZBUZZ? Because see, we have written condition if at the first moment. At the first moment we have written the if condition that if it is divisible by 3, then just write fizz. All right, but in this condition it is saying that in the second else condition where it is divisible by 3 as well it is divisible by 5, should return FIZZBUZZ, but it is not happening like this. See, it is not happening in 15. If you take 15 number, it is not showing that it is FIZZBUZZ. So why it is not happening? If I just replace it, let's just suppose that if I just replaced it this and put it like this, let me just make you more, let me just give you more clarity of this. What I am saying, that if I just put 5 here and 3 after this, 3 mod 3 after this, nums mod 3 after this, so I will be getting buzz there. What I will be getting? Buzz there. See, I am getting what I am getting. I am getting buzz here on my 15th number. So why it is happening, guys? It is happening because I am putting this statement as the first statement, first is if else condition. So it is satisfying this condition. This is true. So it will be just it is just satisfied in condition. It is true. Then why it will be just looking for the next conditions? It will be just true for this, so it will not looking for the other conditions. So what I'm gonna do here is, guys, instead of this, I will be just writing this condition as the at the first moment, so that it will be checking all the numbers which is satisfying both nums divided by 3 and nums divided by 5, sorry, not 2. If that number is divided by both 3 and 5 and including 30, including 15, those numbers are divisible by 3 and 5. So these numbers will be included in my first FIZZBUZZ condition. So I will be writing this condition at the first. So hope you have understood this, why I have written this condition at the first moment, why I have written this, why I haven't written it afterwards. So I hope you understood this, because the main motive of this, of me explaining this question, is to make you understand that where to write first condition. So this condition should be written at first, and then you can write any condition at any point of the loop. And of course else condition will be coming at the last, so you cannot put it in elif condition. All right, so else condition should be coming at last. You cannot put in between elif. So else will be coming at last, if will be coming at first, and then you can put elif condition any much however how much you will want. So if I try to run this code now, it will be just running according to the question which was asked in the question. So let's see if it's working or not. So 1 is not, so I have to print this number. So I have print 1 2, then it will be 3 is buzz, then 4 is not a fizz buzz, then 5 is buzz, yes is buzz, and then 6 is fizz, and then 7 8 9 9 is fizz, and 10 is buzz. Now we'll be checking for 15 whether it's fizz buzz or not. So it is fizz buzz. See if it's running right. Now that it's showing that fizz buzz is coming under the condition of 3 and 5, which is a multiple of 3 and 5. So FIZZBUZZ shows that it is a multiple of 3 and 5. So it will be satisfying for 45, it will be satisfying for 30, 60, and then 90 as well, and 75 as well. So you can see that how things are working here, guys. So this shows that both this shows that how we should in fact put the else if condition, because this for number that are multiple in the question, you can see that for number that are multiples of 3 and 5, print FIZZBUZZ. People may get confused that we should put it at the end because it was asked in the question at the end. But you should not get confused. You should understand that how things will be working inside a loop, inside a function, inside the code. So you should understand it, and if you understand that, you can just tackle any problem. So now I hope you have understood this question, and now I believe that you will be able to solve this question on your own, and you will be able to tackle any kind of problem similar to this. So if you like this tutorial, and if you feel like that this playlist is helping you guys a lot, please guys do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time.